Good morning, grade 8 children. Today I am here to explain you about chapter 11, Force and Pressure. First topic, force. A push or pull exerted by an object on another is called as force. Force generally is caused due to interaction between at least two objects. Here a figure is given in which we are seeing that a car is being pushed by a man. He is applying force by touching the car. One more example is two girls are pushing each other. Other figure is two girls pulling each other. In both of them, either you are applying pushing force or pulling force. Force has both magnitude and direction, so it's called as vector quantity. Force applied on an object in the same direction add to one another. If they are acting in opposite direction, the net force will be the difference between the two forces. In general, more than one force may be acting on an object at a given point. However, a force acting on an object is always the net force acting on it. Here two more figures are given in which two friends are pushing a heavy load. Figure A in the same direction, figure B in the opposite direction. A force can change the state of motion, or it can even cause a change in the speed of an object or direction of its motion, or both implies a change in its state of motion. Force acting on an object may bring a change in its state of motion or change in its shape. Here we are saying that to move a tire faster, this boy is pushing it continuously or repeatedly. A magnet can also exert force without being in contact with it. The force exerted by magnet is an example of non-contact force. Thrust. The force that is acting on a surface in perpendicular direction is known as thrust. Pressure is nothing but defined as force per unit area, or thrust per unit area is called as pressure. So pressure formula is force by area on which it acts. Liquids also exert pressure on the walls of the container in which they are kept. Gases exert pressure in all the directions. Next type of force is electrostatic force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. Atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted on a surface by the weight of the air above that surface, or the pressure exerted by the air is called as atmospheric pressure. Contact force. A force that can be applied only when it is in contact with an object is called as contact force. For example, hammering a nail. Electrostatic force. When a charged body, either having a positive or negative charge, exerts force on another charged or uncharged body, that force is known as electrostatic force. Force definition is simply a push or pull exerted by an object on another. Friction. The force of friction always acts on all the moving objects and its direction is always opposite to the direction of motion. Gravitational force. The force exerted by the earth to pull the objects towards itself is called as force of gravity. Gravity. Every object in the universe, whether small or large, exerts a force on every other object. This force is called as force of gravity or just gravity. Magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet to push or pull a metallic object is called as magnetic force. Muscular force. The force resulting due to the action of muscles is known as muscular force. For example, when we are cutting vegetables. Non-contact force. The force that can be applied without any contact between the two objects is called as non-contact force. One example is magnetic force. For example, the magnet pulls the iron pieces. Pressure. The force acting on unit area applied to an object in the direction perpendicular to the surface is called as pressure. Thank you.